Hello guys, this is a quick review of the BLACK+DECKER screwdriver. Okay, I've been using this tool forever. As you can see, since 2013 I have it and I've been using it and it works. Okay, it still works. So it's pretty good. As you can see here, I have a trigger that I can press and a screw, and you can move the position. Okay, so you can screw and unscrew everything. It's pretty easy to use because here you have a magnetic thing here that you just stick that way and it stays, right? As you can see, pretty easy and works. You can change the position here, like in this position, you don't have a trigger here, it's still here. Sometimes you cannot reach your thumb like that way, okay? And then you need to move your hand a little bit up here and then you can reach it. Okay, when you're using on different position, let's say, for example, this way, you can also use that way or still with your thumb, but you need to move your hand to a different place here. Okay, and you have another position here. This one is easier because you can move your hand close to the trigger that way. And you can also use it as a regular tool when you move here to this position. It no longer works with the motor, and this is useful because sometimes you have a screw that's not easy to remove, and the motor here, it won't work. Okay, you want to like struggle to remove the screw, then you put in this position and you can use as a regular screwdriver and you can remove the screw. Okay, I use it that way, and I've been using this for a long time, and it's and lasts a long time. Pretty good one. Okay, the charger here, you just connect that way. There's a correct position here. Let me see it. Here we go. Here you go. Okay, and then you plug this on the outlet and it chargers, and it lasts a long time. Okay, you can work all day long with this tool and it works.